hello, everyone. Today is Sunday. Beautiful Sunday. Sun is shining. God is good. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. If this is your first time, again, as we always say, welcome to the family. Welcome to A Moment with Audrey and Amos. We welcome you. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. Hit the thumbs up. But tell us how you like the video. Leave a comment and share. We would appreciate it. All right. Okay, the first one I want to talk about, I got this from Marshall's. $17. I like the bottle. Look at the bottle. And that's glass. It's pretty. Very pretty. It has a little charm on it. And the name of this is Perla Pure. It is a beautiful scent. I love it. It smells good. In a minute, I'm going to have my only guy, coming to y'all, because he's going to be honest with you how it smells. And when I say it has a lovely scent, it has some mixtures in this, the notes of it. And this is by, I think it's Pascal Moret. It's something like Moret Beto or something like that. But I know it is Perla Pure. Very lovely, light scent. It's like a little sweet. But the top of it, when you first smell it, you smell like bergamot, a pear, blossom. In the heart of it, you got gardenia, you got jasmine. I smell that. All settles into a base of tonka bean, and cedarwood and saddlewood. It really smells good. Sweetheart, can you come here real quick and tell the people how this smells? Come tell them how it smells. You can do that. It smells really good. Smell this. You get in the camera so they can see you.
Hello, everybody. How y'all doing today?
Perla.
Let me see him, babe. What you got here? It smell good, babe.
Don't it, babe?
You got some good stuff. Don't it smell good? Don't it smell good?
You smelled it, y'all.
I like that. So now you out there, don't judge it. For you try it, if it smell good, y'all. And I just want to say these words. Don't judge it, for you try. It's good, good, good. Don't judge it, for you try. It's good, good, good. It's good. It's good. It's good, good, good. Don't judge it, for you smell it. It's good, good, good. Don't judge it, for you smell it. It's good, good, good. It's good.
Now y'all done heard from him. It's good. All right now, like I said, got that blossom in that tonka, cedar wood and sandalwood all up in here. Smells good with a little pear. It smells really good, really soft too. Next is this lemon. Italian lemons, citrons. This was only $8. Looks like it's got about 20 of these in here. Ooh, if y'all could smell it. I love the smell of lemon. Here, y'all, smell it. Ooh, one fell out. But it smells soft. So with these, this is soap. Put them in your bath water. Actually, I do all kind of stuff. I'm gonna be putting these in my bath water. And I got these at Marshall's for $8. My bath water, my dish water, even wiped inside of my refrigerator off out in there. And actually, just as long as you don't eat it, because I even like to put, now I know I'm gonna put it in hot water. I may clean with it, because usually I take fresh lemons, squeeze it in my dishwater to clean the inside of my refrigerator out. So I may not do the inside of my refrigerator, but I'm definitely going to put it in to clean with some hot water in my bathroom, just wiping stuff down and put it in my bath water too. But yeah, y'all, I mean, use this for cleaning too in hot water. So these lemons smell so good. Oh, I wish y'all could smell them. Oh, and it looks like it's about 20 balls in here for $8. You cannot beat that. So yeah, y'all, these was a deal at Marshall's. Okay, here's the next item. Lemon basil hand wash. I got this, and let me tell y'all, this is glass. I really had got it for the glass. I ain't gonna need front. Because I like stuff like this. And it's heavy. It's a lot of stuff. This one was only $8. And it's big, y'all. This is like a 19.93 full ounce. And y'all must know I love lemons. When I say it smells fresh, clean, but it smells like lemon, y'all. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells so good. So, water, aqua, sodium. It has some stuff in here but citrus and lemon extract. It has some stuff in here. Magnesium, nitrate. So, but it starts off with water / aqua and sodium. But I really like it. I really like it. I like it. And it's a lot in here for $8. So, that one. Okay, you guys. Last but never least, this is called patisserie. I guess it's that's how you patisserie. This is a caramel scented shimmering body scrub, and it does smell like caramel with a little shimmer in it. Body scrub exfoliates. And it also says can be as gentle as you need it to be. This here is from TJ Maxx. Only $6. $6. I think you can see it if I got it right. $6 from TJ Maxx. And it is cream. It smells like a cream caramel. Yes, it smells good. This is 24 ounce. And it's like paste, kind of like thick. See the insides of it? Yeah. So yeah, yeah. I bet y'all can make this, and y'all too. But yeah, it's real condensed, very thick, for $6 from TJ Maxx, and it smells like caramel. It smells good. I haven't used it yet. But anyway, guys, so that's it. I just wanted to show you guys what I had bought from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. They have so many different oils, perfume oils, all kind of little stuff that really smells good. So I was looking at hubby's trying to see what he was doing. But anyway, this is going to close the video out from yesterday, from Saturday. But I do want to say, for those who are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. This platform I share with my husband Amos, A Moment with Audrey and Amos, and if you please do so, subscribe to our channel. We're asking you to hit the thumbs up. Tell us how you like the video. Share and leave a comment. We would appreciate it. But other than that, this is it for that video. We will see you guys the next time, and you all be blessed and have a beautiful day. See you later. Bye-bye.